A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
What if I told you that you can control your home just by lifting your finger? Meet SingleCue, the first gesture-controlled device that lets you interact with your TV, entertainment, and even smart home devices with a simple wave of your finger. Using advanced sensing technology, SingleCue tracks your simple finger movement in the air, letting you flip through channels, control volume, and do much more in an exciting new way. With SingleCue, the TV set, cable box, and other media devices you already have become smarter.
Hi.
If you're using a media streamer, SingleCue offers fast and fun control over content. It's freedom at your fingertip. SingleCue will even allow you to control smart home devices, such as smart lights and thermostats, with a flick of your hand. It's an amazing new way to control your home. Even setup is easy. Just plug in the electric cord, download the app, add the devices you own, and let SingleCue connect and control these devices wirelessly. Your home, connected, touch-free.
Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Want to know who has opened your door and when? Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing UltraLock UL3BT, the world's first Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock. UltraLock is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. If you have a smartphone, you can unlock your door in UltraLock app through Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. You still have the mechanical key for backup. UltraLock's Knock to Open feature allows you to just knock on your phone twice, even when it's in your pocket and you're in. UltraLock integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. In UltraLock app, you can view logs of who has entered and exactly when they did, see who has the access and how, and even clone users when you install a new lock. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. No problem if you don't have a smartphone. UltraLock has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. It sends you low battery alerts on both LCD and app. UltraLock is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. UltraLock is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. UltraLock. Simplify your safety. Please back up today on
MStick connects with your smartphone to control and customize the light through Bluetooth. With only one MStick, you can make various functions of light in your life. Start your day with MStick. shake the M stick, it starts the timer again from the beginning. You don't have to keep watching your noodles to be done. Each category of the app has its own functional light settings, such as sound visualizer and selfie light. M-Stick will help you keep your working out time. By using your app data, M-Stick tells you today's weather. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. M-Stick has a G sensor, which is combined with accelerometer and gyro sensor. Especially with the sensor, M-Stick automatically makes its animations when you ride a bike or run like this. Also, control your M-Stick with your smartwatch. Write down the text or emoji or whatever you want into the After Effects app and enjoy the festival in various ways. M-Stick is an open hardware. We will open API soon, so you can make your own unique light and share it with your friends. We have spent days and nights to actualize the mobile app controls smart light, M-Stick. To bring M-Stick to life, we need your support. Please back us and we hope to hear about your experience with your light in your life. Make your light, M-Stick.
Hello, Governor. I am a lamplighter. I can turn anything on but a woman. Oh, it's good work too, night lighting. Bad things happen in the dark. You could run into a wall or slip and fall.
Plus, the dark can be just plain scary. It makes the kiddos insecure.
Course, that's why night lights were invented. But not all night lights are created equal. The most popular is plug-ins, but who knows why. They're bulky, unattractive, and take up outlet space. Plus, they break easy. And if they don't break, they burn out quickly and need replacing like an out-of-shape husband. Hey. No offence, mate. And then there is the greatest night light in all of history. Introducing the Snap Power Guide Light. It is the simplest and most ingenious and most convenientest night light that ever was. To install, simply remove the existing outlet cover and replace it with the Snap Power Guide Light. And voila! It installs in seconds and provides pathway lighting all through your house without taking up a single outlet space. That's right, it installs in literally seconds. The patented prongs on the back of the guide light snap onto your existing outlet to conduct its electricity. So no wiring, no batteries required. And because it looks exactly like your existing outlet covers, you don't even notice it's there until you need it.
The light sensor turns the LED lights on automatically in the dark, so there's no trouble turning them on every night or off in the morning.
And for all this ease, you'll pay just 10 cents of energy for the entire year! And because they're LEDs, not bulbs, they'll last for decades. That's right. Instead of 25 weeks, these little beauties will last 25 years. Use them anywhere and everywhere to see what you need to in the dark. Hallways, stairways, bathrooms, kids' rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, countertops, muffin tops. So because you like to see in the dark, click now to visit snappower.com to get the best night light in history for your home and light up your life. Hundreds of thousands of other people have already bought the Snap Power Guide Light based on strong reviews from all these media outlets. And that's just a handful. According to the #1 magazine in do-it-yourself and home improvement, it's the best night light in history. So how many geniuses does it take to install a Snap Power Guide Light? None. A moron can do it. It just takes a genius to buy it. So click now.